Hello, welcome back to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to show images on the X-ray report that you download through the Helium10 add-on on Google Chrome. Once you have logged in, you can search for the item that you are searching for. It's the normal procedure that you follow. So let's download the reports. I'm going to look for turmeric capsules. And once everything is loaded, I will run the X-ray product research. Okay, so that will download, that will show all the product and the sales and everything. You can see the images are there, right? But if you download it, and if you open it on an Excel sheet or on a Google Doc, by default, it will not show. Okay, so we have to run a small formula for that. What you have to do, go back here, and then I will show it on Google Doc, how it's going to work. I'm just going to upload it. And I'm going to open it. Okay, so you can see by default it will show you the image URL, right? So what you can do, you can open a column on the left. Okay, I'm going to name it as images. And what you can do, you can write this formula. Okay. Image, and then you can type in this one. So that will populate the image. What you can do then to make it easy, if you have multiple products, just select it all, and then just expand it this much, and then drag and drop. Sometimes you'll get the autofill as well. You can see now the report have the product image. This look more neat, and it will give you an idea straight away by looking into the images. Thanks a lot for watching.